They cut our supply budget again. We didn't even get last year's money. Look, the money didn't disappear. It was moved.
Attention staff and students. Due to budget adjustments, several programs will be temporarily paused. We appreciate your
understanding during this time of transition.
Did you hear the teachers are upset again about their paycheck? They always upset about something. Why do they buy stuff that breaks?
Because it's cheaper for them if it fails, but it doesn't mean we have to let it. This computer was not meant to last, but we're going to make it work anyways. So, like any person, I download all my games and I was ready to play. It looked very promising. It even loaded faster until this happened. At this point, I turned to internet, Google, YouTube, even the useless EA app. Me knowing all the tricks of EA, it's useless. So, I took everything off and tried again. And that wasn't it. Yeah, that's not normal. Even the AI was mad at EA. What did actually happen was I uploaded my Windows 7 profile onto my new computer, and it had this TS3, The Sims 3 for short. However, the AI had discovered something else. My profile had a W, even more confusing. And that wasn't it. We discovered something that was very confusing, very important. And finally, it works. Even my AI started doing a happy dance. You might be doing a happy dance too if you had the same issues. The next thing is making sure it stays that way. Be sure to delete all the ghost files from OneDrive. Now, a word of caution. You may need a CC world from the internet. Why do you ask? Because the EA is part of the Windows 7. And now we're dealing with 2026. So that is it for this next one. I hope it's interesting, and I hope I fix it. Please comment in the comments if it is. And if it is,